Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video advertisement or video ad using Canva. Basically, this is going to be the website, and simply click on this option that says video to start with. Once you click on it, you'll be directed on this editing platform. Let me just remove the previous video or previous window right there, and let's get started. Now, this should be the landing page you're seeing also in your end. And by the way, just simply add a few more pages right here to get started. Now, I just want to clarify this one that this process right here, the creation of video advertisement, is basically the quality depends on you guys. I'm just going to show you the ropes. I'm just going to show you how it works. And then you can use the learnings to further excel your quality. Okay, let's get started. I'm just going to add some photos here first. I'm just going to type in a different prompt right there. Top view food, and I'm click on photos. Again, these are the sections. If you don't have a specific photo or an item, you can use Canva. So I'm gonna drag it right here. This will be my first one. I'm just gonna use 2 sample to make it quick. So I have 2 foods right here on top view, and you might notice there's a background color in one of each. To remove them, basically click on the edit photo and click on BG remover. That is shortcut for background remover. Like so, click the second one also. Now, a little disclaimer that feature is only available for Canva Pro users. Everything right here that has a little crown on it is for Canva Pro users. Even some elements right there, for example, that one, this little toga cap, those are for Canva Pro users. That being said, that has a payment for monthly of $25, I think. Anyway, it's really worth it. Let's start with this one, okay? So I have 2 items here, photos to be exact. Now I'm just gonna leave it as it is first because I'm gonna use it later on. I'm gonna place the videos, or rather the photos, at the very end, and then I'm gonna get started soon. Once I've placed them at the very end, they keep coming back. Perfect. Now since they're already at the very end, I'm gonna go back to page 1 and simply insert the text box by simply clicking the R keyboard button. Now I'm just gonna make a square, adjust a photo, or input a color right there. I'm gonna use this color here, and then I'm gonna create another square, a little square right there like so, and then place it at the top, okay, and then group them all together. Now, before grouping, I forgot making sure the first one is transparent. This is important because you'll see later. I'll explain why it's very important. Make sure you have that space right there. Okay, this one right here. Now, since you have a perfect square there, you can just duplicate 2 more to get started. Now, if you have 2 duplicated colors already, change the other one to a different one. For example, this color. It's really up to you. And then put them all together. Make sure it's in the middle part. Okay. And then just highlight it and extend them all the way. Zoom out first because you need to extend them all the way. Make sure they just cover all of the page all together now. A bit more, and that should do it. Now, that being said, set this aside again at the back part of the screen, and then let's start on the first page. Basically, this is the first page of our advertisement. Change the background color, let's say purple, and zoom in a little bit. Now, for this one, I'm going to use the first photo. Put it right here, place it properly. I'm just going to enlarge it. Now, again, this is just a skill, or rather, I'm just showing the basics. Please take note how I do stuff, and then use your very own skill to excel the quality a little bit more. So I'm just gonna enlarge it a little bit more, and then drag it a little bit down, and show the half part of it. That being said, that should do it. I'm just gonna input a text right now. Simply press the letter T, and then enlarge the font size so you guys can see it. And then right here, I'm just gonna type in food, or let's just say sample font. Basically just like that. So you'll know this is just a sample font. Enlarge it. And of course, once enlarged, make sure you duplicate it first and then set aside the second one. Why did I duplicate that? Because this first one right here will go on the back part of the spaghetti. How can I do that? Simply highlight it, click position right there, make sure you click on backwards. Now the problem is if you put it in the backward of the photo, you cannot read the middle part. Simply click on it, the duplicated one, place it on top first, enlarge it again, make sure they're the same size. If they're not the same size, click it again. The one of the font at the back, make sure you get the size, it's 138. Go back over here, and then make sure this is 138. Now that being said, make sure this is, click on the effects, click on hollow, and then simply put it on top of each other, and there you should do it. The effect right there can read it properly still. Now we're done with page 1. This is actually just page 1. Let's move on to page 2, but before moving to page 2, get the photo right here or the color on the third page we made. To access the color, simply click on position over here and you'll see the layers. I'm gonna get the green color over here, click on control, copy, go back here. Now here's the thing, remember the part where we made a specific space on the top? This one right here, this should go on the left side of the screen. How can I do that? Simply rotate it. Let me just rotate it over here and then place it right there. Basically, it's facing left. Okay? And then cover it all the way. It's not large enough, we can still enlarge it. Simple as that. Now make sure it's on this left side right there. Cover it. Now once that's done, I'm gonna get the second page right now. For the second page, I can use the second photo, copy it, paste it right here, and then choose another color. I'm gonna use blue this time. And for this one, I'm just gonna use a simple text. Let's just say, for example purposes, sample font 2. Basically just like that. And I'm gonna put it again on the back page of this photo. Again, this is just another feature that I want you to know. Position and click on the back part of the screen, or rather the back part of this photo. Backward. Now you're not gonna see the second part again. What did I teach you guys? Simply duplicate it again, click it, the font, click on duplicate, put it on top of each other, and then click on effects, hollow, and you can read the food even though it's on the back. Right? That being said, go back on the third page right there, click on position to get the color, because we're gonna get now another color, the green one. Go back right here, look for the overlapping page. Now for this one, we're gonna go half, and then drag it down over here so it looks like it's from a different color or a different page. It's just like an opening remarks. Copy the red one, paste it right here. Now do it facing left again. So imagine a curtain opening up. Basically, that's what we're doing right now. Place it like so, drag it down right here. Basically, that's it kind of should look like. Now, let's check how it looks like so far. Play it. Now, it will not have an effect yet because we don't have any animation just yet. Basically, it's just transitioning like that. Here's where the magic happens. If you hover your mouse or cursor in the middle part of the screen, you'll see this add transition. Simply click on that one. Again, it's avoiding me. Click on that one, click on match and move. That is the magic. Basically, it's a simple transition. It will make things looks better. So just the duration of each slide, we're just gonna use these 2 slides just for simple purposes, and try it out and play. Basically like that. It's not showing up my screen right there, and that should do it. So let me just remove this one a little bit to the left so it will show up. Okay, now that being said, if you check this one right now and go to the second page, you'll see that transition into the very good video ad. So take these steps and then further excel on your quality of your very own. That being said, thank you so much for watching. That's how you create a video ad using Canva. And also, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.